I only had 1 month to design, engineer, and build something completely outside of my comfort zone. You see, I studied civil engineering, which is a fancy term for designing big things that don't move, like bridges, dams, and roads. I'm not a mechanical engineer, I don't do mechanisms, but I was gonna have to figure it out because the only way I was gonna fit an entire room into a suitcase was to make some sort of telescoping collapsible mechanism. I 3D printed this first prototype on my Bamboo Lab H2D, and this was inspired by the only example of a mobile sleep pod that I could find on the internet. This guy, David Schatz, built this backpack to create a sense of safety and confidence among people when sleeping in public. The accordion mechanism he used was exactly what I wanted to do when I first had this idea, but the cross-section of a carry-on is so small you just wouldn't be able to fit inside. I figured out that if the sleep pod pulls out from both halves of the suitcase when it's fully open, there's plenty of width to fit inside comfortably.
There we go. Gonna have to do something about the fact that it hangs in midair. All these connections are also horrible. But we're on the first prototype. The first prototype is all about is it the right size? In theory, will this work? And I think the answer is yes.